Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking in a fame.
Soon become a TikTok star. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. First thing I start off the video with. Today we have arm day. Well, bicep. I'm back. But today we're going to focus on bicep. So this video, before we go any further, like, comment, subscribe, and today we just want to show you guys, some of my workout me used to build my bicep. I've always neglected biceps for the past couple years since I started working on for muscle mass and that type of stuff. So now we're focusing on a more controlled movement, squeezing at the top movement type of workout. So anyway, I have some thermogenic fat burner and some pride pause workout. The workout thing named pride. I mean, I say, yeah. But anyway, as you know, dog see me and talk about what? Man, I talk about pride. You see me? But anyway, we have some thermogenic fat burner and we have some pride pre-workout. So we'll mix that together with some cold water. Unfortunately, we never remember put enough water in our fridge, so we're gonna just top it off with some room temperature water. And room temperature water is always better for you. I don't like cold water, but the directions on this says use cold water. So we're just gonna use what them say. And boom, there we go. So I'm gonna hop out, jump to the gym, and have a nice workout. Can you hear me? Alright. I reach our gym, yo. Yo, I really wish the man can do something with these freaking lights. When you walk in, you just feel like dull. You see me? But anyway, start off with some seated bicep curls. So what we're gonna do mainly is, just come. So what we're gonna do mainly is start off with seated bicep curls, then standing hammer curls, then we're gonna do some preacher curls, then we're gonna do some incline easy bar curls into a triple set. So hopefully that works out well. So stay tuned. This workout, I actually got this workout from a friend of mine by the name of Jay. If you guys look back a couple videos, me and him do some arm workout and it kind of intense. It wasn't kind, it was intense. So I just think maybe do the same thing. Well, not the same thing, but take some stuff from it up to this day. So let's go. Show you guys how the YouTubers, after they do their nice little pump workout, so I'm gonna add some incline dumbbell rows. So basically, bottom of your chest, on top, dumbbells come. You can go wide if you want to hit your rear delts. If you want to hit your rear delts and the middle of your back, you want to come in close. Turn your elbows in or your wrists in. And pull up. And pull up music. Alright, so to me, after your incline easy bar curls, to me, well, not to me, but my homie Jay had a incline easy bar curl, my incline sitting down dumbbell curl, and a standing up dumbbell curl. It was like a triple set, so it was like a super set. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do some seated dumbbell incline curls. The standing up curls, that's where you never get a complete set doing the stand up curls, yo. I'm only using 20 pounds. That's it. Oh. Down. Alright, yo. That's pretty much it for the workout, to be honest. That was a good bicep day. Add this to your workout. Add this to your, you know what I mean, your bicep, your arm, whatever. I normally hit back on Tuesdays, back on biceps, but we just give you guys a bicep. So we're gonna do some back workout, some cardio, then we're gonna head home, do some vegan tacos. But it's Taco Tuesday, so we're gonna add some calories. For the past 2 days I've been fasting way too long, so try to do a little refeed, I guess. Probably tomorrow, yeah. Tomorrow is leg day. What's up? Alright, yo, we have some vegan whipped cream, and we're gonna put that on with cake. Follow my Instagram, you guys can see the rum cake. I see some over here, so we have 2. We bake like what, 12 cake? Zane? And so we have a fruit and everything. Yeah. So I put some whipped cream on it, and it is dairy-free, plant-based whipped cream. You see me? Vegan, gluten-free. You have substitutions for things that is dairy products, that is also non-dairy products you can substitute. Alright? So yeah. I don't know if my word that good, but yeah. Well, yeah, we have this up on the cake. So Katie not gonna try that. I don't know Big's over there so in belly. But anyway, we're gonna make some vegan, not taco, probably like vegan burrito. Yeah. So this right here is Beyond Steak plant-based. It's just plant-based freaking steak. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna use burrito. We're gonna put some onion, tomatoes, and we're gonna put rice. So I'm gonna show you guys when everything is finished. I'll give you guys the finishing product. If you guys want to see how I make this, just comment down below, and I make a video making different meals that you can try that is vegan, healthy, low calorie, low carbs, high protein. It is just magnificent. So one serving is 170 calorie. Protein is 21 gram per serving, and it's 3 servings. So 88 gram is a serving, and this has 3. So just check it out. Sodium is very high. It's 300 milligram, and carbs is only 7 gram. So really good. So let's go. And we interrupt all that cooking stuff to give you guys this very special information. What I have for you guys is going to be magnificent. For somebody, you guys probably already have it, but we're going to do this for somebody who don't have it. So it's a giveaway, of course. Just purchase this PS5. Comes with this God of War voucher thing, and you guess you download it, whatever. All you game heads know what I'm talking about. So as soon as we reach 10K subscribers, I'm giving away this. this right here. My goal is to reach 10K by June. If we reach 10K before June, well, we're gonna give away more than one, of course. So send somebody over here to subscribe, send somebody over here to like, or do whatever. All right, so here you go. PS5, brand new. Let me show you. Check out the Rick and Marty. Boom. Fuck you, Rick. Anyway, see, come, let me show them. Don't even touch it. See, freaking brand, freaking new. This is new brand. The tape is still on it, everything is still intact. So yeah, how to get a chance to win this, all the information will be in the description. So see you then. All right, so what we have some tortilla, and we're just gonna scrape some of this in here. Boom, 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 just like that. Shazam, see that? Boom. Then I'm gonna put that aside. We're gonna get some rice. We're gonna top it off just like that. Then we're gonna get our avocado. Boom. Just gonna space it out. Boom, boom. Alright. No, not gonna lie, I'm not the best at wrapping this thing, but I think we can use some more. Some more meat! Which girl don't like more meat? some ketchup, sugar-free ketchup. Sprinkle dinkle. Then some cheese. And this is vegan cheese, plant-based. Don't worry, I got you guys. Come on. Boom. Then we give it a little wrapperoo. Boom. See that? Boom. Just gonna fold it in. Oh gosh. Alright, I'm not the best at this wrap thing, but oh no. Solution. Over here we think about the solution, not the problem. Some cheap ass freaking tortillas anyway. Then we're just gonna put boom. Now time for the magic. Let's see if it come out good. Which I know it did. Ready? Take a bite. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm.
Go on again, go on again.
Perfect burrito vegan sandwich, yo. Tastes really good. I will have a ton left over, so I've been fasting for 2 days. I've been eating like once a day, so I'm going to enjoy this. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, having a giveaway. Bring as much people over. As soon as you reach 10K subscriber, I'm giving away that PS5. If it goes to the point where we reach 10K subscriber before June, I give away 2. See you guys in the next video. Peace.